In this video, we're going to go over the structure and function of the medial circumflex femoral vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The medial circumflex femoral vein is located in the upper leg region of each leg. If we look more closely at the veins from the posterior view of the left upper leg, we can see this vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates from the area around the proximal end of the femur bone. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs horizontally along the posterior of the femur bone. This vein ends by draining into the femoral vein. The femoral vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. Sometimes this vein drains into the deep femoral vein instead of the femoral vein. The deep femoral vein can be seen here highlighted in blue. What is the function of this vein? This vein's main function is in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the muscles of the thigh to the femoral vein on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the medial circumflex femoral vein.